So if you think about a strand of hair, the center of it is called the medulla, and then there's another part called the cortex. That's where really the strength is, and then the outer portion is the cuticle, and that's like shingles on a roof.
Okay.
These shingles just get damaged from ultraviolet radiation, from oxygen in the air, from just daily walking around in the world. And when that happens, they begin to raise up. And if you think about thousands of hairs and these little shingles are raised and they're catching on each other, it's making the hair, it makes it difficult for you to pull your fingers through, right? Well, it also, those shingles, the cuticle layer is there to protect the hair from humidity, from moisture. When there's humidity in the air and moisture in the air, it wants to absorb into the center of the hair, into the cortex. And when that happens, the hair swells. But it doesn't swell evenly. What happens is with frizz, the hair swells in one part, not in another. It swells in one part and not in another. And when you have thousands of hairs doing this, the wave or kink that is created from that produces the effect of frizz. So if you can keep humidity out of the hair, then you won't have this frizzing effect.